Number 9 and 10, they want us to use these two functions to evaluate fog of -2 and f composed with g of 0. So our first step is to actually find just the generic fog of x. So I want to first find f composed with g of x. So I'm going to rewrite the f function just with an open parentheses instead of the x, and 4 minus x squared, and if I simplify that, then that's going to be equal to 8 minus 2x squared minus 3, which is equal to 5 minus 2x squared. So that is what fog of x would be. Now, they want fog of -2. So again, this was fog of x, f composed with g of -2. You just want to plug in -2. So 5 minus 2 times -2 squared. If you type that into your calculator, you get -3. And that'll be your answer. Now, we still need to do number 10, but most of the work is already done. So another way of writing this is just f composed with g of 0, which again, this just means that you're plugging in 0 into our fog. So you're just plugging this in. So 5 minus 2 times 0 squared, that's just going to be 5. And that'll be your answer.